This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework. This is AP Physics homework number 4.2, question number 6. A civil engineer is to design a road curve at 156-meter radius to carry racing cars traveling at 21 meters per second. Let's see, my velocity is 21 meters per second. My radius is 156 meters. At what angle should it be banked for maximum control of the racing car? Well, maximum control, that would be when it doesn't have a natural pull up or down the hill. So that would be if I even forgot about the coefficient of friction, I want to treat this as a frictionless problem. So I don't even care that the coefficient of friction is 0.18, but I do care that gravity is 9.8. So I've got my velocity and my radius, and I'm looking for theta. Well, if I go for a free body diagram of the car, I've got a normal force this way. I've got gravity pointing straight down, and that's it. Well, my normal force, since I'm interested in a force pointing towards the center of the circle, then the center of the radius, then I'm looking to split normal into an up and an over. So if I take my normal force, that's made of an Fy and an Fx. My Fy is going to cancel out gravity, and my Fx will provide my centripetal force. So my y is gravity, so my what's interesting here is that here's this theta. I know that the tangent of that angle is going to be my opposite, so here's theta as well. It's going to be my Fx over my Fy. And Fx is going to be Fg, which is mg. And Fx is going to be my centripetal force. So Fx equals mv squared over r, and Fy is going to equal mg. So when I get Fx over Fy, it's going to be mv squared over r divided by mg. So my tan of theta is going to be mv squared over r, but also divided by mg, so this is going to be rmg. Well, m will cancel out, so I'll get tan theta equals v squared over rg. How do I get theta out of that? Well, theta is going to be the angle whose tangent is, which most calculators have as tan -1, v squared over rg. So that is the condition of this car where it spins around at a certain angle with no friction, or it doesn't have to worry about friction.